be painting this chrome cherry blossom. Step 1. Take your silver paint and your large paintbrush and cover your entire canvas with your silver. Allow it to dry and do a second layer using your silver paint, adding another layer on your dry canvas. Next, using your medium-sized paintbrush, take some black paint and start to draw your tree, making sure that the base of your tree is wider. Use a small paintbrush to add your branches. Using your paper towel, start to add red dots at the ends of each one of your branches. Then you can also add a layer of pink, and if you'd like, you can add also a few dots of white. Once you're done, don't forget to sign your painting. Thank you for painting with us, and we'll see you next time.